Hi guys, welcome to Craft It Up. Today I'm going to show you how to make these Korker ribbons. They are very easy to do and they can make any bow look so fun and cheerful. That's why I love to use them on ponytail holders like this one for example, or boutique bows, even little baby bows if you use thin ribbon like this. Okay, so let's get started. What we're going to need is wooden dowels, wood clothespins, and your ribbon. You're usually going to use 3/8 inch ribbon, but if you're going to make small baby bows, I recommend 1/8 or 2/8 inch ribbon. And you are going to need an oven so that we can heat these up later. Oh, let's begin. So we're going to grab our dowel and we are going to put our ribbon on one of the ends and we're going to secure it with our clothespin. Okay, just put it like at an angle, and then we're going to wind it up along the dowel. Just make sure that you do not overlap the ribbon at any time. And when you're done, you are going to secure the other end with another clothespin like this. When you are done with all of your ribbons, you are going to put them in the oven at a temperature of 300 degrees or 150 Celsius for 10 minutes. All right, so the 10 minutes have passed and I'm going to wait a couple of seconds until they cool off. I'm going to take off the clothespins and I'm going to unwind them from the dowel. They should come off very easily. If they get a little bit stuck, just pull on them. Okay. And there you go. We have our Korker ribbons. And don't forget that you can use them on any bow to make them look very, very pretty and cheerful and fun. Stay tuned for my upcoming video on how to make a Korker ribbon ponytail holder. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.